Today I'm going to show you how to back up your Snapchat memories to make sure you never lose any of your precious snaps. Whether it's fun times with friends, goofy moments, or important memories, backing them up will keep them safe. So, let's dive right into it. First, open up Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner to head to your profile page. Next, look at the top right corner and you'll see the settings gear. Tap on that to open the settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Memories. This is where the magic happens. Now tap on Memories, and from here, let's turn on Smart Backup. This will ensure that your memories are backed up even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, using your mobile data if needed. Now, click on the Save button option under Memories. You'll get to choose where your snaps will be saved. To make sure nothing gets lost, select Memories and Camera Roll. This way, you'll have your snaps stored both in your Snapchat memories and your phone's gallery. But we're not done yet. Go back and find the option that says Autosave My Story Snaps. Tap on it and choose Don't Autosave if you prefer to manually decide which stories to save as memories, or leave it on auto if you want everything to be saved automatically. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.